Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I will show you how to migrate Skype chats to MS Teams 2025. The first thing that you should do is simply go and open any browser that you have, run Google, and search for Microsoft Teams, then click on the first link that you have. Now tap on Download Now button, then click on Download Microsoft Teams for Windows. After that, install the Microsoft Teams for your Windows. And after installation, here it will show you this page. Click on Use Another Account down below right here. Then here, choose Use Another Account. Now it will ask for the email, phone, or even your Skype. Enter here your phone number that you have linked to Skype. Then click on Next. It will ask for the password. Click on Next again after typing the password. And now click on Continue. Then after that, here it will show you here that you have the chat blank. Click on these three dots on the top right side right here. Then choose Teams Insider Program. After that, click on Join. Then click on Restart right here. Then click on Let's Go. Then here you will find your chats transferred to your Microsoft Teams. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.